Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the secrets of 3D printing. We'll start by exploring the creation of digital 3D models using CAD software. Next, we'll delve into translating 3D models into G-code for 3D printers. Discover the intricacies of fused deposition modeling, the most common 3D printing technique. Witness how 3D printers build objects layer by layer from the bottom up. Explore the crucial role of temperature control and adhesion in 3D printing. Discover how temporary support structures enable 3D printers to tackle complex geometries. Explore the world of multicolor printing and its ability to create vivid designs. Discover how automated continuous printing revolutionizes the production of multiple parts. Explore the unique advantages of additive manufacturing compared to traditional subtractive methods. Uncover the key factors of precision and automation driving 3D printing's versatility. Gaze into the future and explore the boundless possibilities of 3D printing.